Hi there, this is a quick testing out the Pentax flash, of course on the Pentax camera with the latest Pentax X-TTL firmware at PN.A.003, and to see if the on-camera flash is working here with the latest firmware. So of course first gonna switch on the camera, the flash, and then switch that to TX mode. And it detected the Pentax flash, and right now I don't have TTL pass-through. And of course if I have pressed that and then adjust the zoom, you can see that there's a good connection between the camera and the transmitter. And switch in to my right, and when I take a shot, power is now manually adjusted, so the flash exposure is not right per se, but you do see the flash is actually firing the on-camera flash. And now when I hold the menu button for 2 seconds to turn on TTL pass-through, and now take a shot again, and the flash is fired. Oh, you can see me in the reflection, but the flash is fired and with TTL exposure. So we're not seeing the problem that was mentioned on the forum. And of course this is the AF360FGZII. And let's check the firmware version so we can be sure. That's the PEN.A.003. And before trying the 360, I also tried the 540 FGZII, and it also worked without any problems in an on-camera setup. So do check if it could be a connection issue. If you're seeing any the camera info, if it's popping up on the transmitter. And of course also try doing factory reset to see if that helps. So yeah, I hope that helps. Thanks.